Ruger's finally getting her kittens out for some sun. It's the first time they've been out. Ain't that cute? She's a good mama. The cat behind me thinks I'm talking to it. Well, there they are. I saw the other brood of cats down at the barn, so they're all... There's probably 8 kittens between the 2 mamas. A couple small batches. No, that's enough of that. I could watch them all day. Got 1 calico and 3 black ones, and the other litter is 4 black ones, or three black ones, or 4 black ones, and a striped one. So I don't know if there's 4 or 5, I guess, with the other litter. She's gonna lead them up to the food. She's gonna do just what Mama Cat did last time with her. Lead them up here to the food and water. I've learned over the years not to bring them anything. I don't want to bring food and water to the garage because it draws vermin to the kittens. So I let the mamas take care of it naturally, and we don't have problems. Usually. Seems that they've run off the raccoons and possums from around here, so haven't seen any vermin for a while. See you later.